Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, we are back again with the new fresh off-campus job opportunities from VSearch, NTT and Capgemini. So for this opportunity, all branches are eligible. There is no 60% criteria. This is a freshers hiring, so all freshers candidate can apply for this opportunity. So let's start our video. First opportunity is from VSearch. VSearch is hiring for the role of software engineer. Talking about the qualification, then the candidate should be having bachelor's or master's degree in CSE, IT, EC or equivalent fields. You should be also able to travel up to 10%, and they are hiring for 3 locations: Chennai, Tamil Nadu and Hyderabad. Talking about the skill set, then you should be having a knowledge in Python, C or C++, React.js and knowledge related to software development and test automation. You should be also having a basic knowledge in Linux operating system. So you must apply for this job. Second opportunity is from Capgemini. Capgemini is hiring for the role of software analyst for Mumbai location. Talking about the qualification, then the candidates who are pursuing or completed their graduation in any fields with no 60% criteria can apply for this opportunity. Talking about the skills, then you should be having a complete knowledge in front-end application with writing and testing code in JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So Capgemini is basically hiring for the front-end developer role. Third opportunity and the last opportunity for this video is from NTT. NTT is hiring for the role of graduate trainee engineer for Gurgaon location. Talking about the qualification and eligibility, then the candidates with diploma or bachelor's degree in any field with no 60% criteria and no branches criteria can apply for this opportunity. And this opportunity is for both freshers as well as experience. As they've mentioned that if you are having a work experience, then it will be an advantage for this opportunity. But if you are not having any work experience, you are a fresher, then also you can apply for this opportunity. Talking about the skills, then they are not asking for any technical skills. You should be having good verbal and written communication skills with the ability to prioritize task and multitask work. You should be able to work in a team-oriented and collaborative environment with a good planning, organizing and time management skills, which is a mandatory skills for this job. So these were the 3 job opportunities. According to your eligibility and criteria, you must apply for all these jobs. I regularly post off-campus jobs, full-time opportunities and intensive opportunities for all freshers as well as experienced candidates with up to 2 years and all IT related services. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to receive latest job updates. And also share with all your friends those who are in search of new job opportunities and internships. So thank you.